Transform your kitchen with Eagle Ridge. At Eagle Ridge, we redefine kitchen remodeling and renovation in Holladay, Utah. Your dream kitchen begins here, blending functionality, beauty, and energy efficiency to create a space that truly feels like home. Our services cover every aspect of kitchen transformations: custom cabinetry, countertops, and islands, flooring, backsplash, and lighting upgrades, expert appliance installation and plumbing solutions, personalized layouts and innovative designs tailored to your lifestyle. We don't just renovate, we bring your vision to life with precision, care, and unmatched expertise. From small upgrades to complete overhauls, Eagle Ridge ensures every detail is perfected. Discover how we can transform your kitchen into a masterpiece. Call Eagle Ridge now at 801-784-1457 or visit EagleRidgePros.com. Your dream kitchen awaits.